Hello friend, welcome to the Muhammad EFI technician equipment heavy equipment diagnostic. Today we will check the joystick lever on a CAT 24D3 and see how it work in the live data on computer. First we enter the machine diagnostic menu and open the live data screen. Now when we move the joystick lever left, right, forward and backward, the signal value on the screen change in real time. This test help us confirm that the joystick lever and its internal sensor are working correctly. By watching this changing value, we can easily find the fault, replace the correct parts and save repair time and avoid necessary part replacement. Now we go into the computer, move the lever, check signal on the live data screen. This way we can see the which direction work correctly and which one have a problem. Now first we enter and then next we go the service. Now enter again, now again down and we see status parameter live data. Now you see there show live data. Now right side we move, then you see this joystick value is changing very smoothly, and if he change, that means this work properly. Now we again test this joystick lever left, right side lever, then see this value is changing. The sensor is working very smoothly. If he jump, then have some problem inside wiring or sensors have problem, but this one very smoothly work the sensor. See, this very smoothly properly work this lever. Now change the value this phaser. Now we test left side lever. This one also work forward, reverse and left and right. This one also work very smoothly, this sensor, and potentiometer is properly work. See, this value is properly changed. Again we test forward. See, this value is changing properly. We test reverse camera is on, sorry. That's how we check the joystick lever on the CAT 242D3 using live data. This helps us find a fault easily and replace the correct parts. Thanks for watching this video. You subscribe Muhammad EFI technician YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video Muhammad EFI YouTube channel. Don't forget like, subscribe and click the bell icon. We will bring more useful video in the comments that will help you and improve your knowledge, inshallah. This This video was shot in the evening and it got quite dark. In the next video, inshallah, we will show the joystick wiring and how the sensor